Neil, what are you doing?
Chiseling a bolt.
Well, chiseling a bolt. Why are you chiseling a bolt?
Because they're rotten.
All right, for a larger explanation,
watch your video.
Don't be cranky. Okay. So here is our cockpit, the project that is growing and growing. It's a Pandora's box is what we've discovered. This is, can you stop for a second? This is a very beautiful teak covering, which once we took the rest of the cockpit off, we weren't sure what was holding the winch up. And we have discovered that there is a metal bar here, I guess a metal plate there with a T-bar that comes down. Used to come the rest of the way down, but has rotted. Hi everyone, this is Melanie, my husband Neil, and our son Decker. And that's Bella, our dachshund. We are a normal Canadian family who has chosen to live a non-normal life on the ocean for the past 15 years. Join our family as we restore our ferro cement schooner Kiva, journey around Vancouver Island, and get ready to explore the world. So Neil is finding, God, I don't know if you guys can even see this. There's the bolts. Here's the, that's our metal frame for holding up our winch. So, hey folks, guess what? We're replacing the metal frame.
But good news, our ladders and our stairs look beautiful behind you.
Yes, let's go look. Ooh, ah, they're gorgeous. Can you see the sunlight glinting off of it? Woo! Sanded, a little Minwax. Woo! Decker has been stuck inside all day playing Lego. Poor little soul. Another beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Watch your eyes.
Yeah, I got glasses on. I'm glad you love your new tool. What? I know, I wish we didn't have to do this either, but at least you got yourself a snappy new tool to do it.
Stupid thing is holding.
The metal plate?
The metal part is broken on the bottom and it's holding everything up.
So,
these two bolts are holding everything.
And the only way to cut them is from the inside. Or can you cut them from the inside, from out here?
There's nothing holding it.
No, there isn't. Will that fiend work on wood, or is that a grinder job? I mean metal, I meant metal.
You can get a metal bit, but I don't have one.
No. Hang on, don't turn it on.
There's I buggered up my blade.
Oh, you didn't bugger up your blade, you just used it.
No, I did.
That's what you always do.
Took a tooth off.
Oh well, it's fine.
Only 30 bucks.
How much do you love your new tool, Neil?
A lot.
A lot. It's coming. I can hear. Oh, ah! I can hear it. Oh! Whoa! 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 You're ripping up the fiberglass right here. Right here, underneath here.
Glue it on.
Can you do a little chisel action underneath there or something?
I'd say I hit a nail.
Yes.
That's all it's holding, that one screw.
Okay, that's fine on this side, I think. Is there more glue on that side? The same thing? Holding it down?
Mm-hmm.
I was going to say, that's the metal plate you just picked up, isn't it?
Metal part that holds the whole winch on.
Yeah.
Lord, help me.
Well, people, this is what you call Pandora's box. It started with just a little cut to replace a little bit of wood. Oh, there goes our fiberglass. And look at all the bugs. Oh my God.
Mm-hmm. And they're all inside.
And they're all inside. And yucky, whatever they are, you're going in the ocean. Oh my God. Oh, I want to cry. I am seriously worried about the bugs.
Yeah.
I guess that I was not expecting. You were?
Yeah.
And look. Oh my God, where do we stop? I mean, I know it's good to get the rot now and not when it's worse and blah, 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 but oh my God. Does it feel, the rest feel solid? What? What do you mean?